future homeowners. My name is Pauline, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate advisor. Today, I would like to show you a rarely available, beautiful corner unit at Pointe Pacific.
Right from your patio and living room, there is a 180 degrees panoramic views of the San Bruno Mountain. Imagine coming home to unwind after a long day. Two bedrooms, 2 baths, in-unit laundry. The primary suite features a walk-in closet and a dual vanity. And because this beauty is detached on all 3 sides, you get to enjoy the natural light all day long. Pointe Pacific Clubhouse amenities is like a vacation spot all on its own. Exercise room, sauna, and a barbecue area. What a beautiful oasis in the midst of the peninsula.
My favorite part of this community, it is a dog-friendly complex and plenty of outdoor space to walk your furry friend. So what are you waiting for? Let's schedule that private tour and turn this dream home into your reality.